This is a Prince Pete exclusive.
So, where are you finna go?
Atlanta, GA. Atlanta, Georgia, shouted.
Oh, really?
Yep, that's all I'm going.
How long you gonna stay up there?
I don't know. Who knows?
Who knows?
Who knows?
Dog.
Don't give her that, you know she can't eat it.
Yes, she can. I've been giving her that when she been doing it.
Stop.
I've been giving her this when she been doing it. Now, I miss you. Hey, street.
What?
Hey, Pooh.
What?
How many fingers am I holding up?
5.
She's not blind. We're like gonna miss you, you know? Why is it so empty in here?
Good thing.
Okay, going off now. Wait.
Okay, turn.
2 seconds.
Prince Pete exclusive.